Your science lesson today with Mrs. Knight is observation. We will be practicing key terms. Here are our science safety rules. 1. Always follow directions. 2. Use tools and materials properly. 3. Work as a team. 4. Be neat and clean up. We are all scientists and we must follow our science safety rules to stay safe. What is observation? Observation is one of the basic skills we will use as scientists. We use our 5 senses to observe the world around us and then describe what we experience. Our 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Today we are going to focus on some of the key terms that help us with sight observations. Let's get started. This is Professor Jinx. He is going to help us with our key terms. He likes to write down his key terms and draw pictures to show what they mean. Your key terms are transparent, translucent, and opaque. Have you ever noticed that light travels through some objects, but not through others? These terms will tell us how much light is getting through an object. We can look at the terms one at a time. Our first term is transparent. Look at our flashlight. When you shine it through an item, all light passes through. If all of the light passes through an object, it is transparent. Think of a window. Can you see through a window? Yes, it is transparent because all light can pass through. Next is the term translucent. Look at our flashlight now. It's passing through an item where only some light passes through. If some of the light passes through an object, it is translucent. Think of sunglasses. Can you see through sunglasses? Yes, you can partially see through them. They block some sunlight because they are translucent. Our next word is opaque. Let's look at our flashlight again. This time, it cannot pass through the object. No light passes through. If none of the light passes through an object, it is opaque. Put your hand in front of your face. Can you see through your hand? No, it is opaque because no light can pass through. Whoa, Professor Jinx is asking, can we review that? Sure we can. Let's review. Pretend you have a pair of binoculars, like this. If you look through the binoculars and no light is getting through, it would be opaque. You're right. What if some light is getting through? That would be translucent. And what if all light is getting through those binoculars? You're right, that's transparent. And now we can see this giraffe. Thanks, Professor Jinx. That was a good idea. Now let's practice using our key terms. Fold a piece of paper into 3 sections, like this. Label each section with one term, like this. The first part says transparent, the middle says translucent, and the last section says opaque. You can pause the video while you grab items from around your house. Any items will work. Try to find about 6. Place each item in front of your eyes. Is light passing through the object? How much light? On your paper, you're going to list or draw each item under transparent, translucent, or opaque. Here are some items I found around my house. Write or draw each item under one term. Is the item transparent, translucent, or opaque? I will show you my answers. This jar, I can see through it. It's transparent. This lemon slice, I can kind of see through it if I hold it up to the sun. It's translucent. It lets through some light. This light bulb, I can see through it. It's transparent. This apple, no light through it. It's opaque. This box, it's opaque too. And this apple juice, I can see my hand through it a little bit. It's translucent. What about these glasses? They're clear, so they're transparent. And last, this book. I can't see through it, so it's opaque. Thank you for making observations with me today. I can't wait to see your list. You can use this lesson to make better observations. Find the link to more science videos on my YouTube page.